How to post quietly on Instagram without notifying followers. Want to post something on Instagram without drawing immediate attention from your followers? Here's a simple method you can try. First, open Instagram and tap the plus sign. Select Post, choose the photo or video you want to upload, and tap Next. Make any edits you want, then tap Next again. Instagram doesn't provide a direct option to publish a post without it appearing in your followers' feeds. However, you can quickly archive the post after publishing it. Once you share the post, immediately go to your profile and open the post. Tap the three dots and select Archive. This removes the post from your profile while keeping it saved in your archive. After waiting for the period you prefer, you can unarchive it by going to your profile, tapping the three-line menu, and selecting Archive. Make sure you're viewing your Posts archive, select the post, tap the three dots, and choose Show on Profile. And that's how you can temporarily hide an Instagram post after publishing it. If this video helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.